This method named addTeacher is to allow the web consumer to add a new teacher to the service provider's database. This method is designed as post method. The service is bound to a method, and the service is expecting the service consumer to provide additional data in JSON format. The service will respond in the same format, JSON, but with additional data. Then we design the address as addTeacher. To implement the design, we specify post for the web method, consumes for post object, produces for response, and path for the URI design. Let's have a look at the source code implementation. The first two lines, we declare the web method and the path. When localhost 8080/REST provider /service/teacher/addTeacher is invoked, addTeacher method will be executed. Then we declare the expected JSON format data type to be provided by the consumer. This line here corresponds to the object declared at this method. We are going to test this address in Postman. I have copied the address and going to paste it in Postman. Okay, so we open a new tab and paste the address that we have copied earlier on. Paste, and then click send. The thing is that it gives us an error message, which is not so readable here. So we click preview. This is something which is readable. Okay, the thing is that this service here is expecting us to call it as post and provide additional data in JSON format. So how to provide the JSON format data? Click body and then click raw. At this selection here, select JSON. Then we specify our data in JSON format. Let's say the name and then the value. Okay. After that, we click send. It gives us a new ID for the new teacher. Let's click pretty here, something which is readable. The subject is null because we did not create any subject for this particular teacher. So that's how you test post and formatted JSON input in Postman.